Welcome to TechStone's instructional video library. I will be your host and guide you through the easy process on how to apply our modern coding systems. We hope you are ready to enjoy this video as I guide you through the easy steps in learning to become a skilled professional installer. First of all, we would like to thank the good people at Portland Echo for making this possible. If you have additional questions at the end of this video, please contact us. Let's begin.
Hi everyone, I am Architect Renzo and I will be guiding you through the installation process of liquid polish. For instructional purposes, we have pre-applied the primer coat. The first step is to roll on the base coat of liquid polish. Make sure you give a uniform coat for the best effect. The next step is to flatten the coating with a batch knife or trowel. Allow 2 to 4 hours to properly dry. Gently polish with 400 grit or mesh sandpaper or sanding block. Apply the main coat with a random method using a batch knife or trowel. This will create our unique three-dimensional effect. Please allow to dry an average of 4 to 6 hours. Repeat the random application as shown in the previous step. Once you complete the application of the main coat, then flatten the surface using a clean trowel at a 30 to 45 degree angle. Allow to complete drying for 4 to 6 hours and apply a top coat to protect the coating system. That is the simple process to install our liquid polish coating system. Thank you for your time in watching our installation video.
Thank you for watching. Please visit our website and click the subscribe button to learn more about our innovative products. TechStone is brought to you by Portland Echo.